Hi, Michelle here with Straw-Bearie.com. I'm so glad you're here, and today I have a fun video. We are going to unbox and try out this heat press machine that I bought off Amazon, and I'll have a link to it down below. It's not the name brand machine, and it was a little bit cheaper, so let's see how it is. Okay, full disclosure here, I started to unbox this off camera and I found some things so hilarious that I just knew I needed to share this with you. So, first thing in the box is the directions. High frequency suspension heat transfer machine. And when you open it up, there are instructions about how to put it together, about how to work it, and it is in what is that? Bad English? Erglish? This is my favorite part. This right here, this is screws and screwdriver. And then this right here is a high temperature sponge. Yeah, they mix those things up. And then as you read along in the directions, it is strictly forbidden to place poor temperature resistant and flammable materials at the bottom of the placement plate. Strictly forbidden. Okay, so directions. All right, now we have a bonus. Didn't know these were coming. I got some transfers, some iron-on transfers that we can use. And we're going to look at these in just a minute after we pull out the machine. So get a screwdriver. Comes with the tool. Got some styrofoam with some of those rings that make the plate for it to sit on. So pull those out. And pull out the machine itself. It's pink. Oh, it is so pretty. It's got some protective film right here. It's not really blue, I don't think. Well, maybe it's not protective film. Maybe it is blue. Huh. There was an arrow there. It does look a little scratched up. All right, pull that out. Couple of things that I figured out. So first of all, there was a blue protective covering over here, so it wasn't scratched. It was the protective covering, and I got that off. So it's very pretty and pink and white. It has an American plug. That's a good sign. A free t-shirt. The brand. Yeah, I don't know what brand that is. Can't read that. It's not in English. Let's see how big it is. You know, most of those, oh my goodness, that is a child size shirt. Definitely a child size shirt. Okay, don't know who I'm going to give that to. And then there's another piece of the ring. So let me get this put together and then we'll see how it works. All right, it just says to take the pieces and snap them together. Well, that didn't work. Ow. Ow. That didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, as shown in figures 3, 4, and 5, select any two pieces with the bottom facing up, buckle the hole, and press hard in the direction of the arrow until it is fastened. Base that you put it in seems a little hard to put together, but it does seem pretty sturdy once it is together. I have it plugged in, and let's try the power switch. Oh, you don't even have to push anything. It's like super sensitive. It looks like we got it at Fahrenheit already. So I know some people on the reviews were saying they had to switch theirs from Celsius to Fahrenheit, but it does look like mine is on Fahrenheit. Okay, so it looks like you hit temperature, and you can set your temperature. So I'm setting my temperature. Looks like 392 is as high as it will go. And then you have a timer. Let's go ahead and take a look at the iron-on transfers that came for free. So I was not expecting these at all. So I was really excited that I had these, and I just think they're kind of fun and funny. So I'm going to use my heat-resistant sponge and this white furry thing that was not in the instructions that was supposed to be there as a background. I looked online and I found out that this furry thing that's not mentioned in the instructions is supposed to go down on your table first. Then you put the heat-resistant sponge down, and then you would put your shirt, and then you would put the device. So there is a use to this. So we start off with this girl and her loaves of bread. That's cute. Next we have these three girls, and I actually think they're kind of adorable. I think this would make a really cute t-shirt. Here is a screaming lemon. He's pretty cute. I can see him on a t-shirt. We have a little pineapple, and the pineapple's throwing up some peace signs. Pretty cute. There's a banana split. Never seen a banana split with just the banana, not a bowl, but it's pretty cute. I have a pink flamingo. Now, the words that you can't really see because they're white, that are right here underneath the pink flamingo, say Firebird. I don't think I've ever thought of a pink flamingo as a Firebird, but it's pink, it's fire color? Sure, why not? Hello, Summer. That one's pretty cute. We got an avocado, and it says, I like avocado, like her club, and then, I don't know what that says at the top. It's not in English. And we have a cherry that matches. I like cherry. It says, I like her club. And again, it's got some kind of marking up at the top. I don't know if that's a brand or something in another country. We have a couple of butterflies. So this top butterfly says, just wing it. And the bottom butterfly says, become the change. So those are kind of pretty and kind of cool. Oh, here's another butterfly. It says blue because love you every day. Don't really know what that means, but you could definitely cut off the words on this one and just use the butterfly if you wanted to. This one gets interesting. So it's pretty cute at first glance. It says boy good. And then modern, your style, amble subbed were debut. Gipta, your style you. Now we can actually see what the words say. I just want to see. A smile smart is a smile doubled. Miss Sally Red, I Miss A Olimalablet. Sports. Okay. Whatever. Interesting. Then we have this one, the number 7. It says never give up. Organic cotton. Some people, I'm sorry, I have to read this to you. Some people do hot want these marfkless ahamas to serve in order that they can honey a tiny piece of those tosk carved into some thing they can brag about. Brag about. You watch a swallowny the yonsusi twi gibberish. I don't know who their translator was, but yeah, they should stick to a different job. And that, oh wait, one more. Woo, just flew down. It's actually pretty cute too. It says summer. It's got a pineapple. Okay, so those were all the little freebies. So that was a bonus, as well as this teeny tiny little t-shirt. And I don't even know anybody I would give this to right now. So let me go see if I happen to have any extra t-shirts. All right, I happen to have an extra t-shirt on hand. Just a plain white t-shirt. So I'm going to set this down on top of my heat-resistant sponge. So I've got my sponge on underneath. And I think I'm going to use the Boy Good. So I'm going to try to center that on my t-shirt. Make sure that my t-shirt is on the sponge. Try to keep it straight. And there's really no instructions on how hot or how long for this transfer that came free. So let's try this. Let's take this, put it on top. I'm going to hit the button. It is making weird noise. Okay, that was 12 seconds. I'm going to lift it up. Put it back in its little thing. It feels very hot, but yet it's not coming up well. So let's try this again. Let's do another 12 seconds. It is very hot. It says it's 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It's making a noise. I did how long? Let's try 40 seconds. Okay. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to set it on here. And let's pick it up. And let's see how that did. I don't know what else to do. I've got it like on the highest heat. I guess I'll just do it again. All right, that was another full minute. And it did not transfer onto the shirt. It's like it half transferred. I can like see like a glue underneath now. Still don't know the temperature settings. Some of this worked, but some of it is not working. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Maybe I just needed to be cold. Oh, lost a little part of the G. Got the rest, though. Just lost a little bit of the G. Huh, that's kind of sad. But, you know, kind of goes with it. So underneath my mat, it is now wet. My table's hot, but it does not seem bad. Let's see. My table is hot underneath this thing, which is holding it up off the table. I feel like I need to try with some vinyl that I know will work. I made these earrings with some gold glitter heat transfer vinyl that I got from the craft store the other day. And I will have a link to that video. I'm not sure if this one's going to come out first or if that one is. But when it's out, I will have a link to it so you can see how to make these cool little glittery earrings. And I'm using that same vinyl. And I just cut out a little heart. And I'm going to put it on that t-shirt that they gave me for free. The instructions for this one say to put your iron at wool and leave for 15 seconds with a piece of plain paper on top. So let's see how that works. Works, and pretty cute. My final thoughts. The machine works. It's cute. It's pink. It's about 10 by 10 for the heating surface, which is pretty good for a t-shirt. It works. What can I say? The instructions aren't in very good English. They're a little hard to understand. The transfers that came with it, I couldn't seem to get them to work, and they are like really weird in misspelled words and stuff. but I shouldn't use that as part of my review because they were a freebie that I didn't know was coming. So all in all, I think this was a good purchase. I'm going to have a link to it below in my description. So if you want to get one, you can. They do come in other colors besides pink. And so far, I think I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm excited to make some more t-shirts. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, tell your friends, and have a super fantastic day. Toodles!